In this video, we will see the different advanced macro facilities. Now, in the macro definition, we can use the statements like control statement. Okay. Which are the different statements we can use by using the macro? That is the control statement. Next is the expansion time, variables, and third is the attributes of parameters. Okay. These are the different facilities we can use with the different macro programming. Now, we will see all of them one by one. So, first is nothing but the control statements. First of all, I want to clear all of you one thing, that is, as we have seen the C programming languages, CPP programming languages, data structures, and in this year, you have to study the Java programming language also. The names of the similar type like control structures, attributes, parameters, these all are having the similar mechanism but only having the different representation features depending on that language. So, what does the control statements means? Control statements alter a flow of execution of a control during the expansion. Means, what is it? Alter the flow of execution control during expansion. Okay. For example, if A is greater than B, true असेल तर A greater, false असेल तर B greater. As like this, if A is greater than B, then if the condition is true, then A will be displayed, otherwise B will be displayed as a greater. Likewise, this situation, conclude statements allows you to take some actions according to the statements occurring at that time. So, there are different control statements that are used in the macro programming, and that are, first is the no operation statement. Okay, no operation statement. Second is the unconditional, third is the conditional, and fourth is the loop statement. So we will see them one by one. But we will see first of all which are the different types of the no operation statement. These statements are not performing any operations during the execution. What does this mean? These statements does not perform any operation during the execution, and it is having another type, that is the expansion time sequencing symbols. Okay, and second type is the ANOP statement. First of all, we see what is the expansion time sequencing symbol. The expansion time sequencing symbol are always defined in the label field of the statements in the macro body. What is the place of expansion time sequences? That is situated with the label fields. It is used as an operand in an. Again, what is the place? It is used as an operand in the AIF or above statements to designate the destination of the expansion time control transfers. It never appears in the expanded form of a model statement. Means, what is the duration of these expansion time sequencing symbols? They are only limited to that part or that operand only. They will not be never going to expand rather than a single line. What is the syntax in the less than greater than symbol, there is an ordinary string. Now, I will list out some rules regarding the expansion time sequencing symbols and data. It is defined in the label field. Okay, what is the place? It is the defined in the label field. It is using operand 2 of a BC statement. We all know that BC is nothing but the branching condition statement and it is always used with the BC statement in operand 2. It is used with AIF and AGO statements to designate the destination of an expansion type of transfers. Next, it should define only once in the label field, like the label means it should be only defined in the label field. Only the one time means more than one appearance will not be allowed here. Next is it may used in many time in operand fields also. Its syntax is changed from one microprocessor to other microprocessor. Okay. And the last point about it is that at expansion time, microprocessor can also change them. So these are the different mechanisms or the rules related to expansion time sequencing symbols. We will see the remaining part in the next video session. Thank you so much.